Welcome to DataStudio's comprehensive tutorial on image classification, a pivotal component in the domain of computer vision. In this tutorial, we will explore the subtleties and precision of DataStudio's image classification feature. Let's embark on a detailed hands-on walkthrough. Access our platform at datastudio.indicaai.com. Create a new project. Opt for a template tailored to computer vision applications and select the image classification template. So here we will do car and plane again. And I'll just remove these because we don't need that. Now you can import your file from your local storage or our integrated cloud solutions. Upon completing the upload, start the annotation process by selecting the individual data item. Select the appropriate class your image belongs to for each image. So here it belongs to plane. Then submit. Similarly, you can annotate the rest of your data items. You can conclude by exporting your annotated dataset in industry standard formats such as JSON by clicking Export. This demonstrates the efficiency of DataStudio's image classification template. It is designed to enhance your AI-driven projects by offering a streamlined and efficient approach to computer vision. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.